There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Dodge Durango SRT in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gunmetal low gloss dual strips by Mopar, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, configurable drive mode, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5617.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.